How to send photos in TikTok message. First and foremost, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, now you have to get to your chat piece. So for that, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right. After that, you have to select the chat where you want to send the pictures to. Tap on it. After you open up the chat, navigate to your bottom right corner. There is an image icon or the picture icon. Tap on it. Then you can select your picture from your gallery. Select a picture that you want to send. Or if you want to take a picture, simply tap on the camera icon, take a picture with the camera and then send it to your friend. So that's how you can send photos in TikTok messages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.